Sometimes you want to convert integers to decimals. Why that? Well, imagine you read from the input two decimal numbers and you want to do a decimal division. Then you have to convert the integers that were read to decimals so that you can do the decimal division. Let me explain that with a simple program that will read two integers, I1 and the second one I2, and I'll ask please enter two integers, and I will read the input with %d space %d. I'll put the ampersand I1 ampersand I2. So I read the two integers from the terminal input. And then what I do is I do I1 divided by I2 equals, and because those are two integers, it's a %d. It's an integer division. I1 divided by I2. We can try that. I compile and run the program. Please enter two integers. So 5 space 2, enter. And you can see that I1 divided by I2 equals 2 because it's an integer division. So how do I do a decimal division with two integers? Well, I have to convert one of the two. And this is exactly what I will be doing here. Let's introduce a new variable, a double variable, that I can name D1, okay? And what I will do is just after reading those two values for the two integers, I will convert I1 into a double, and the converted value, I will put it in the D1 variable. So how do I do that? Well, first I put D1, and then I assign what value? I assign I1, but I want to convert it. We say in C language, we want to cast it. So the conversion is noted like this. You open a parenthesis, and here you type the type that you want to convert to. For example, double. You close the parenthesis, and that's it. So on the right part here, you have an integer. It will be converted to a double, and the converted value will be assigned to D1, this variable. Then I can do the decimal division using D1. So here, instead of I1, I put D1, and then instead of %d, I put %lf because it's a decimal division. Let's compile and run. Please enter two integers. So 5 space 2, enter. And now you can see that I have a decimal division, and D1 divided by I2, because I have only one double, it will be a decimal division, equals 2.5 with 6 decimals after. So that's how you convert an integer into a double using this parenthesis here, the type you want to convert, and you assign the value to a variable that contains this type. So you can try by yourself now, using maybe different types. Try it now.